How to check watch history on Twitter or X account. Let's get started. Launch your X or Twitter app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner you can find your profile icon. Tap on it. Different options will appear. Head towards the option of settings and support. You'll see the option of settings and privacy. Open that option. Now head towards the option of your account. You'll see the option of download and archive of your data. Tap on that option. Now over here you have to type in your password. After you are done, click on next. And with that you will land to this kind of page. Now from here you can easily check your watch history. All you have to do is click on this option of request archive. You can request a zip file with an archive of your account information, account history, apps and devices, account activity, interest and ads data. You will get an in-app notification when the archive of your data is ready to download. So you can click on this option of request archive, and with that you will be good to go. After completion of download of file, you can open it and check your watch history. So this is how you can check watch history on your Twitter or X account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.